Hi, this is Elizabeth from WTI, and let me tell you about a lightweight and efficient leaf blower. This is a leaf blower from DeWalt in 20V. This leaf blower is perfect for everyone. It is cordless, so no tripping over any cords, and it is super lightweight, which is my favorite thing. I have tiny arms, and other leaf blowers are very heavy, or you have to use a big backpack, and so I enjoy that this leaf blower is super light, and I can travel with it anywhere in my backyard or driveway. It has really good power to it that it clears out my driveway really easily, and it's also perfect for smaller projects like your porch, because let's be honest, we all hate sweeping our porch. So instead of a broom, sometimes busting out a leaf blower to get off all the leaves or all the grass or any nonsense that's on your porch is super great. It also has a rechargeable battery. It clicks off very easily, and it comes with the recharger pack, and it lets you even know how charged the battery is when it's getting low. If you're looking for a leaf blower that is going to get the job done, but it's still lightweight and easy for you to use, check this one out. And that's my point of view.